So now we're going to go to the R implementation, the R code, and we're going to open the R Studio. As you can see, the document has been opened. Of the title, name of the course, Mann with Liu test, author name, my name, Darish Sugrim, and other information there. Example 1, we said consider randomized control trial evaluating a new antiretroviral therapy for HIV. A pilot trial randomly assigned participants to either the treated or untreated groups. N is equal to 14. We want to assess the viral load, quantity of virus per milliliter of blood in the treated versus the untreated groups. We got the data from the table. Test using level of significance where alpha is equal to 0.05 to determine whether there is a significant difference in viral load between the treated trial for an antiretroviral therapy. Assume the groups have a similar distribution shape. We state in the hypothesis whether they're equal or not, treated versus the untreated for the medians. And then we came up with the testing after that. Fail to reject the null hypothesis as the p-value is greater than the alpha. Once we got that the W is equal to 9.5 and the p-value is equal to 0.062. Company in two different departments, sales and marketing, more productive than the marketing department based on weekly performance scores and using alpha equal 5%. To analyze this, the company collects productivity scores from 30 employees in each department. We have the scores for each department, the sales and the marketing. And we did the testing. As you can see, the box plot of the sales versus the marketing department. Company conclusion, both groups have similar distribution shapes, that is, they're roughly symmetric and have comparable spreads. There are no extreme outliers, suggesting a fair comparison. Box plot shows that the sales department has a higher median than the marketing department. Since the distributions are similar, the Mann-Whitney U-test is valid when comparing medians. We state the hypothesis, and our conclusion is that we reject the null hypothesis because the p-value here is less than alpha. If you look carefully, we conclude that the performances of the scores of the sales department is significantly greater than the scores of the marketing department. So W is equal to 655.5. P-value is equal to 0.001213. So in this case, we reject because the p-value here is 5 or at 5%. So the last part is the references. We have textbook that were used. We have the links that were also used here. Thank you. That brings us to the end of my presentation.